Amazon unboxing part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch it. Okay, when I saw these, I just kind of, I don't know if I'm gonna like these. These are kind of like a coat of denim, but they're this gorgeous like brown color. Again, the flare. Listen, we're trying to find an outfit for Lainey. We're trying. These look a little small. If you're into Western fashion, these would be great for you. This is pretty boring. It's just a strapless bra, but it was a good price. Look at this color. This is my favorite color. Oh, another one, shoulder. Just feeling that apparently. Oh, she's cheeky. She's cheeky back there. It's a struggle trying to find a full coverage bathing suit. I have like 3 more bathing suits. Here's another one. Oh, I like the molded cups. These straps are a moment. Okay. Ugh, dang it, she is cheeky too. Actually, this might not be as bad as I thought. It doesn't look that cheeky. I do like this though. It's gold thread with like a little bit of sequins here and there. Very pretty. Everyone looks good in a black bathing suit. Let's go back to some pants before we finish up on the swimsuits. This is another pair of flares, y'all. I must have been feeling skinny when I was shopping because dang if these don't look small too. Button fly. Like I said, they're flares again. Oh, raw hem, we love. And these do have little distressing at the knees. We have just 2 more things. This is an orange shimmery bathing suit with a cutout in the front and a cutout in the back, but it's not a huge cutout. She looks pretty high cut. She might not be too cheeky. Last bathing suit, y'all. It's like cotton candy colors. I just love that. And this is very similar to that other bathing suit. It's just got some like cutouts in the front. Okay, that was the last thing I bought, thank goodness. All of this is gonna be in my Amazon storefront under the unboxing list. So go take a look.